Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to show and share about how to connect the HMI LS brand to the PLC S7-300 CPU 314C-2PN/DP. Okay. And in this section, I will use two softwares. The first one is SIMATIC Manager version 5.6 for configuration the S7-300 software. And the second one, I will use LS software HP Builder version 2 to configure the screen for test and connect with the PLC S7-300. Okay. So I will use LAN cable for connect from my PC to the LAN port of CPU of PLC S7-300 and then connect one more LAN port to the HMI. Okay. And here is the IP address of HMI and here is the IP address of PLC, and we need to put the IP address of our computer. Okay. So this is the IP address is the same range, so we can ping from our PC to the PLC and also can ping from PLC to the HMI. Okay. So we can control start and stop the lamp 1 to lamp 4 by using this button by config on the PLC S7-300 software. Okay. So let's go to our software to make the configuration and testing. Yes. So first I would like to use the SIMATIC Manager to create the hardware configuration. Okay, so I will create a new project. Example HMI LS. Let's go to File and then click New, and then browse to find the folder that we already created on desktop. So HMI LS, and this one I can type HMI LS and then click OK. So first we need to insert object of PLC S7-300. Example LS HMI, and then we can go to hardware. So wait a moment for open the hardware configuration, and then go to SIMATIC 300 and then go to Rec, add the rail to the project. Okay. And then go to add the power supply. So go to PS. Example, I use this one. So drag and drop. Actually, we need to put the same as the hardware. Yes. But actually, I don't use it. So I just put here. And go to the CPU 300. Right now we will use the CPU 314C-2PN/DP, this CPU. So drag and drop. So here is the IP address of the PLC S7-300. yes. And I have one more card for analog input module, SM311, yes, AIH 12-bit, okay. So let me insert it. So let's go to SM300, right? And I will add the analog input, yes. And this one, yes, the part number 7KF02. So drag and drop to the rail. And I need to configure the position, right, of the analog input card. So the first one is PT100. So I will select PT100. The second channel is PT100 also. And channel number 4 until channel number 7, I will use 2Y of current. 4Y of current, 4 to 20 milliamp, yes. And here is the address, yes. And here is the address of onboard CPU. So if we would like to use the digital input, it will start from I136.0, yes. And for analog input, it will start from 800, yes, PIW 800. So let's go to download. Before download, we will set the manual IP address of computer, right? So if now I ping 192.168.0.2 cannot ping, right? Or .0.1 we cannot ping also, because we not yet put the manual of IP address of computer, okay. So let's go to put manual, go to property and go to IP4, and we will put 192.168.0.253 example, and subnet mask 255.255.255.0. So now we can ping again, okay. So like this, it means that we can ping to the PLC, and one more for HMI. We can ping also for 192.168.0.2, okay. So we can download the project for hardware configuration. Okay, let's set temporary path, yes. Go to option and then set PC interface, and then go to the PC adapter, right? Right now we use LAN cable. Let's check the hardware here, which cable that we use here. Intel Pro 1000 MT, right? Active here. Yeah, this one. Yes. And then we can download again. Yes. It detects one CPU 192.168.0.1, and then we can download the hardware configuration. And start again. So right now we already create the hardware configuration. So we need to create the program for start and stop to control the lamp 1 until lamp 4, right? So let's go to OB1 and then choose the another language that we want. For me, I will use ladder. So here is the lamp 1, so we can comment. So I will write stop for lamp 1, start for lamp 1, and lamp 1 output. And I will hold the signal. Okay. So we can use the M 0.0 and you can comment. Example, PB stop lamp 1. Okay. And here is the address, example M 0.1. Then we can edit the symbol. PB start lamp 2. And here is the output. So if we would like to control the lamp, let's go to see the hardware configuration again. Here is the digital output. So it will start from Q136.0. Yes. So Q136.0. And then we can edit the symbol. Example lamp 1 Stator. Okay. And this one should be hold the signal, right? So lamp 1 Stator also. And then I will insert one more network for lamp 2, lamp 2, lamp 3, and lamp 4. So insert one more network, and I can copy the command here. And we can use NC, NO, coil, and hold the signal. Yes. And here we can use M 0.2, right? Because here we already use the M 0.1 and M 0.0. So it should be PB stop lamp 2. And this one should be M 0.3. So PB start lamp 2. Okay. And this one should be Q136.1. LAM2 Stator. Yes, and this one should be LAM2 Stator also. And I will insert one more network for LAM3. So use the same instruction. Sorry. Okay, this one should be M0.3. PB stop LAM3. M0.4, M0.5, right? So PB start LAM4. Sorry, LAM3. And this one should be a Q136.2, right? And we can edit. LAM3 status. Okay. And this one should be LAM3 status also. And the last one for LAM4. So an O and C coil and hold the signal, right? So this one should be M0.6. PB stop, sorry, PB stop LAM4 M0.7. PB start LAM4. And this one should be Q136.3, right? And we can edit symbol. LAM4 stator. And this one we can copy. Yes. And then we can save the project and download the logic to the PLC and we can online. Okay. So we need to create the project of XP-30 control from the LS HMI, right? So let's go. First, let's go to open the HP Builder version 2 and create a new project and choose the series of the HMI. For me right now I will use HP-30 and choose the HP-300 TTA, yeah, to match with the hardware of model of HMI. And here is the controller. It should be select the correct controller. So on marker I will use Siemens AG because right now we use the Siemens. Actually we can connect to another brand that we want. Example Yokogawa Omron Corporation, Mitsubishi, LS, IS, and another brands that we want. Okay, so right now I will use Siemens AG and choose the protocol, product S7 300 400 Ethernet, because right now I use LAN cable, and go to the communication setting, and we will choose the communication to correct the function. So detail here is the IP address of PLC. Yes, so 192.168.0.1. Here is the IP address of PLC here. So click OK and then OK again. So we will got screen like this. So first I can go to the screen property and change the color background to be this color. Yes. And we need to create the button. Yeah. For start the lamp one, right? So go to bit switch. So we need to create the stop button, right? Example, this is a device address. So it will start from M0.0, right? For stop button of lamp 1. So here we can choose M0.0. Yes. Here M0.0. So we need to choose M0.0 and then click OK. And I will use the momentary, because when freeze it will on, release it will off. Okay, so I will choose momentary. And if the display like this, we are difficult to see, right? So we need to change the button background. So we can go here and then go to a library. We have many library that we can use. Example, we can use this button. Yes. And then we can change the color, right? Can change the color. For stop button, I will use red color, like this. Okay. And we can copy. Yes. For start button. So copy and then paste. Okay, we can align. So here we can go to property, or we can double click. Yes. And here is the button start, right? So we need to put the address with correct address. So M0.1. Here we can type M0.1 and momentary also, right? And for the display, I will change this color, or we can use the blue color here. Okay. So we finish the lamp one, so we can put the text. Okay, example, start. and this one should be stop. For lamp 1, right? And then we can copy to another lamp 2, sorry, this is for lamp 2 and this is for lamp 3. Actually we can adjust to be smaller than this. Let me adjust a little bit. Okay, like this. Or we can copy to be the same, right? Okay, please control and shift and then drag and drop. Can also copy this one, M0.1, right? And the display should be blue color. Adjust to be aligned with the button. Okay, like this. And then we can drag and drop for copy. Not enough, right? So we can align a little bit. Okay, for lamp 2. This is just example. Actually, we can design to be good looking. Yes. So we can align. Okay. Okay, test like this. And then we need to change the address, right? This one should be 0.2, M0.3, M0.4, M0.5, M0.6, and M0.7. Okay. And this one for lamp 1, so we can mark. This is for lamp 1, this is for lamp 2, this is for lamp 3, and this is for lamp 4. So I will change this one to lamp 2, this one for lamp 3, this one for lamp 4. Okay, and we need to create the lamp stator, right? So let's go to bit lamp. Okay, like this. And we need to put the address, right? So it will start from Q 136.0. So let's go to Q 136.0. 136.0. Okay, and for display we can choose here. The stator on, it should be green, right? So I will choose green, and when off it will show red, right? So when it off, it will show the red color, right? And it on, it will show the green color. Yes, so we can drag and drop to here. Okay, and we can copy this one. We can use the lamp one here. Lamp one status, right? We can adjust the size a little bit. Okay, then we can copy. Yes, for lamp 2, lamp 3, and lamp 4. Yes, and change this one to lamp 2. Lamp 3, lamp 4, and we need to change the address, right? For the lamp 2, it should be Q316.1. Yes, so 316.1, 316.2, 316.4, and we can adjust like this, and we can copy the text to add the title. Example, connect LS HMI XP-30 to PLC S7-300. Okay, CPU 314C-2PN/DP. Okay, and we will adjust the font size a little bit. .11. Okay, good. I will change to be this color. The red color, right? Okay. So we can download the project of HP Builder to the HMI, right? Because right now we already connect it, yeah, from our PC to the PLC, yes, sorry, to the HMI. So we can download this project, yes. To download this project, we can click download, and we can choose the setting. Right now we use the Ethernet module, right? Ethernet port. So we can click the Ethernet and make sure that we put the IP address, correct the IP address, and then choose the correct hardware adapter, here of computer, and we can scan the HGT panel. Here is the IP address of HMI, and then we can click OK again, and we can click download. And project will be download, So we need to save the screen, right? So let's go to desktop and then go to the HMI LS project, right? We can put project 1, and then click save, and it will download the project to the HMI. Let's see right now downloading the project. Okay, finish, and the screen will start up. Okay, finish successfully for downloading. So let's go to logic, our logic, and we can press to see the status. So if I push the button start, let's see the lamp 1 is turned on, and the PLC is turned on also, the status. So I will connect power to the output of PLC. Okay, so right now I already connected the cable power to the module of PLC S7-300. So let's test again. Okay, right now let's see the output is turned on. So if I push button start for lamp number 2, it on also. Number 3 on also. Number 4 on also. Okay. So we can stop. Example, I stop lamp number 3. Number 2, number 4, and number 1. Start again. So we can start and stop and show the condition of PLC. So if you would like to control, we can connect the cable from output to control the relay or some electrical devices. So we can control, from the HMI. So this is just instruction about how to connect the HMI LS brand to PLC S7-200 300 CPU 314C-2PN/DP via LAN cable. Okay. So thank you very much for watching my video. If everyone have any question, please kindly drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. And I would like to request all of you to like, share, and subscribe my video also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. So in this time, I would like to say thank you very much again and see you next videos. Bye bye.